Hello guys, my name is Leta Leti. I am from class 2D, majoring in elementary madrasah education. Here I will present a hortatory text entitled School Uniform Policy for Elementary Students. The school uniform policy for elementary school students is an important step that needs to be implemented throughout Indonesia. This policy not only creates equality among students, but also builds discipline and an accurate school identity. I strongly agree that this policy needs to be maintained because school uniform provide many benefits, both in terms of social, psychological, and educational aspects. Uniforms are not just clothes, but also a symbol of equality and an important identity for children's development. The first argument I believe is that school uniform can foster a sense of togetherness and reduce social disparities among students. School uniform help reduce socioeconomic difference between students by wearing the same uniform. Students no longer feel inferior or envious of friends who were better dressed or more expensively. This is proven in research sourced from litas.id that school uniform can increase a sense of unity and togetherness among students and reduce the potential for bullying due to difference in appearance. Rules for wearing school uniform have been established with the primary goal of increasing equality among students, regardless of family economic background. This is also expected to foster a sense of nationalism, togetherness, and unity among students, as well as strengthen the bonds of brotherhood within the school environment. The second argument, school uniform improve students' discipline and sense of responsibility. School uniforms also play a role in shaping the character of discipline in students from an early age. With a clear dress code, students learn to obey the rules and take responsibility for their appearance. A study sourced in kabarsleman.com states that the habit of wearing uniforms regularly can train students' discipline and sense of responsibility in everyday life, building students' awareness and compliance with uniforms rules takes time and effort. Teachers and parents have an important role in providing an understanding and motivation to students regarding the importance of uniform use. The third argument, school uniform provide a sense of security and identity for students. School uniform can help schools and parents identify students so that safety in the school environment can be better maintained. In addition, uniforms also find a sense of pride and identity as part of the school. School uniform make it easier for teachers and security personnel to analyze students in the schools environment outside the school. This is very important to keep tourists, strangers from entering the school area. An article by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education of the Republic of Indonesia states the school uniform are one of the effective ways to improve security and supervision of students. Last but not least, in my opinion, given the various benefits we have discussed, ranging from the establishment of equality, cultivation of discipline to increased security, it's very clear that the school uniform policy for elementary school students should be maintained and strengthened. I therefore urge all of us, parents, teachers, and authorities alike, to continue to support and implement this policy with full awareness and commitment. Let us ensure that school uniform remain an integral part of our children's learning experience in primary school for their better future and a more conducive learning environment.